Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA continues to push a little higher here. The uptrend hasn't been broken, the very short-term uptrend, but we are still in an overall downtrend here with the latest move down. I can not add much to the last video, not too much happened. What I can tell you at this stage is that ADA is, in my reading, in my best reading I can offer you, in a wave 4, which should still result in another low that is pretty much in line with what Bitcoin is expected to do as well. One more low or two. And I can only tell you at the moment that we're in a short-term, very short-term uptrend, that as long as I don't have a first sign, like a small micro 5-wave move down on a low time frame, of a low degree, I cannot rule out that this wave 4 is going to stretch higher. The subwave structures of this wave 4 are a little hard to read. I mean, it could very much be that this B wave bottomed here and we're now moving up in an ending diagonal of a wave C. Just bear in mind that in such a micro count, things can change pretty quickly. What is much more important is to be observing the relevant resistance areas here between 26 cents and 30.4. And as long as price stays and doesn't break, well, as long as price doesn't break, be above and sustain above the 30.4 cent level, it is still expected to head down lower eventually, because this is the ideal target for a fourth wave here. Sort of ideally the 38.2 fib level. That's also why it doesn't really push above it, which is 28.4 cents. And ideally it should avoid to break above the 50% level at 30.4 cents. Now, if we look at the micro count, because not too much is going on the higher level, higher degree wave count, we can say that, maybe this was an A wave, maybe this was a B wave. I mean, in an alternative reading, the B wave could still be ongoing. So you can see how easily things can change, because it is technically possible to do something like that this was a small A wave, this is an overshooting B wave, and we come down once more in the C wave of the larger B wave, and then we go up. So just keep all of that in mind. Important is therefore just to focus, in my opinion, on the levels to understand if price breaks above that 30.4 cent level, would it be something more bullish? And in my opinion, yes, it would be, but it wouldn't necessarily mean that we have bottomed here already. Okay, so I mean, a bit of a bounce was obviously expected. We were massively oversold. At the moment, all in all, this doesn't look very impulsive. In my opinion, when the coins have really bottomed due to the indicator situation, they should really go up fast. And I think this currently still looks very corrective. So as long as we're moving up in a corrective fashion, I don't get 5 waves up. So I need to see something like that actually to confirm that we've bottomed to a degree. 1, 2 instead of A, B, and then a 3 instead of the C, and then a 4, 5. And then we can look for a 3-wave pullback next setup. But until I see that, I have to assume it goes lower, especially as long as it still is hovering below critical resistance. Above 30.4 cents, the 38.5 cent level will become very relevant. Okay, that is an important resistance level up here. And but first of all, we need to break above 30.4, and then it would unlock prices, in my opinion, all the way up to 38.5 cents. Until then, price is expected to go lower. First of all, into the 17 cent region. There's some support there, and then we take a fresh view. Okay, that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.